One of the most popular products that Rough Country makes is the grab handle kit, which is a steel. It's not flimsy, it's not cheap plastic. This is the real thing. We have had members who have installed these grab handles and they all are raving about them. They are high quality, great gripping, easy installation, couple bolts and you're done. Great instructions as well. You can see there's a full instruction guide here. They have an install video and it's just great stuff. If you're looking at different grab handles and you're looking at the stuff that's fabric and you know there's just about everything under the sun available, these set themselves apart. I know one of our members who runs Wrangler Riders Allenton, Regan, has them on Big Sky and they are really heavy duty. I've used these handles before and I can't say enough how high quality they are.